Today I'm going to show you a smart time-saving trick, how to search for messages by date in a Telegram group, using the Telegram desktop app on your PC. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to jump to a particular day's messages. Whether you're tracking an important discussion, revisiting event details, or just curious about the group's past conversations. This is a really handy feature, especially in active groups, so let's dive in together. First things first, go ahead and launch the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Then open up the group chat you want to search through. Make sure it's the correct group, since every group or channel has its own message history. Sometimes, finding the right group among your chats can get tricky if you're in a lot of them, so take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Once you've got your group open, let's look for the search feature. Up at the top right corner of the chat window, you'll see a little magnifying glass icon. That's your search button. You can also just press Ctrl+F if you're on Windows, or CMD+F if you're using a Mac. This keyboard shortcut works just like searching on a web page or in a document, speeding things up. Clicking the search icon or using the shortcut will pop up a search bar right above your chat list. Now here's a step that often gets overlooked, the calendar icon in the search bar. It's small and easy to miss, nestled on the right side of the search box. If you've never used this feature before, you might just type in keywords, but we're doing something a bit more precise today. Look carefully and you'll spot the calendar icon, which looks just like a tiny calendar page. Go ahead and click on that. Don't worry if it doesn't respond instantly. Sometimes, especially if your group's chat history is huge, it may take a couple of seconds for the date picker to show up. When the date picker appears, you'll see a layout that's pretty similar to what you'd find in apps like Outlook or Google Calendar. You can scroll through the months and years if you need to go far back. Just click on the date you're interested in. Maybe you want to revisit an old announcement from June 2022 or see photos from last weekend's meetup. Whatever it is, just select that day. If you're not sure which day something happened, you can check your personal calendar or scroll around until you recognize the time frame. After you've picked your date, Telegram will do the heavy lifting for you. The app will automatically scroll the chat window to show messages from that specific day, a really powerful way to skip all the scrolling and searching, especially in massive groups where thousands of messages pile up every week. You'll land right at the start of that day's conversation so you can catch up, reread, or grab any info you need. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, you can continue scrolling up or down from that point, but trust me, this process saves tons of effort compared to manually scrolling forever. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly jump to any date in a Telegram group chat from your PC. Whether you're hunting for meeting notes, locating lost photos, or just wandering down memory lane, this feature keeps your group history at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want a guide on another Telegram feature. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more easy tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.